Okay, there are three types of search modes available in Splunk. This is very, very, very important. You can always search in three modes. Okay, you can always search the whatever the data you have indexed. You can always search the data in three modes. What are those modes? Those are fast mode, smart mode, and verbose mode. What are those? Fast mode, verbose mode, and fast mode. Okay, so fast mode means whatever the data. Okay, so whatever the data that has got indexed. Okay, if you search the data, it will be bringing the results very fast. Okay, it will bringing the results very fast, but with limited data. Okay, it will be bringing the data very fast, but with limited data. Okay, and what is verbose mode? Whatever the data we search, it will bring almost all the data. Okay, up to 85% of the data will be getting. Okay, so it will be bringing almost all the data, but at the expense of slower search. Okay, that what happens. So fast mode, it will bring the data very fast. Okay, but it will be the data is very limited. Okay, whereas in verbose mode, it will be data means the events will be having, but the fields. Okay, field, what is the data? These are not the usefulness for our things. These are things for our analysis. What we can do, we can use the fields only, right? So fields are the useful things for us in order to produce something. Fields are the, if you get fields, that is the useful thing for us. So in fast mode, it will producing less fields with the same number of, if you search this query, I'll be showing you again. Okay, if you search this query, all the events whatever we are getting, those events we will get, but only some fields only it will be extracting. So in fast mode, that will be the thing that we will be doing. So it will be getting less, it will be getting the data very fast. That is obvious, right? So it is, as it is getting fast, how it is getting? By getting less fields. Okay, but this is also useful for you, right? So in order to analyze something, if you want to make analysis, it will be useful. So that's why even fast mode is also useful. Okay, so if you get the data very fast but with less fields, whereas in verbose mode you will get almost all the fields. Okay, but very slow, but at the expense of slower search. Okay, that is the thing. And the smart mode, which is the default mode. Okay, by default mode, right? This is we have not done anything, but it is active in smart mode only. That means this is the default mode. So what is the smart mode will be doing? It acts as a hybrid mode. Okay, it acts as a hybrid mode, and it will be toggling between fast mode and verbose mode. Okay, it will be toggling between fast mode and verbose mode. How does it toggle again? By whatever the commands we have discussed right now, transforming and non-transforming commands. If you use a transforming command, it will be just acting like a fast mode, and if you use a non-transforming command, the smart mode will be just acting like a verbose mode. What is that? If you use the transforming command, the smart mode will be acting as a fast mode, and if you use a transforming command, it will be acting as a verbose mode. Okay, now let us see whatever we have discussed. So we will be having three modes: fast mode, verbose mode, and smart mode. Okay, where in fast mode we'll be having less data, but it brings the data very fast. Okay, and in verbose mode it will be bringing almost all the data, but very slow. Whereas in smart mode, it will be toggling between fast mode and smart mode, where if you have transforming commands, it will be acting as a fast mode, and if you do not have transforming commands, it will be acting as a verbose mode. So now, if we search this query, okay, so first of all, let me search in fast mode only. Okay, so fast mode I'm selecting. So the same query, let me remove this one. Okay, as I remove this one, so now I'm selecting fast mode now. Okay, so we need not search again because we are already active in the search. If you select fast mode also, whatever the things we do from here, automatically it will be producing the result. So if I select fast mode, see, automatically it is trying to search. See over left pane over here. See, very limited fields. Very limited fields we have got. See how much fast it has occurred. Okay. So and again, it has taken the data very fast, but only a small number of fields. Are you seeing over here? Okay. Are you seeing over here? See, only 6 fields actually. Only we have got 6 fields. So now the same thing. If I search in verbose mode, okay, the same thing if I search in verbose mode. See how much time it is taking. Almost all 3 to 4 seconds. So it has taken. So see, almost all the data. Okay, almost all the data we have got. Okay, whatever it can bring, almost all the data it will be bringing. Okay, and again, if I select this smart mode, okay, if I select the smart mode, okay, so now how many seconds it will be getting? What is the command we are using over here? We are using a non-transforming command, right? We are not using a transforming command. We are using a non-transforming command. So if I select if I select the smart mode, so if I select smart mode, what happens? It will be acting as a verbose mode. Whenever you are using non-transforming command, it will be acting as a verbose mode. See how much time it has taken. Almost all the same time that it has taken in the verbose mode. So again, it has produced almost all the fields. Whatever it has produced in verbose mode, here also it has produced all the fields. So whenever you use a non-transforming command, smart mode will be acting as a verbose mode. Okay, that is the thing. And fast mode will be getting data very fast. Okay, but as we have seen right clearly, so the fields, only less fields will be getting, but it is taking the data very fast. Okay, when you use verbose mode, we'll be getting almost all the data, but very slow. Okay, this is the thing. And again, if you consider this transforming command, I'll be explaining all these things. Don't worry, each and every command I'll be explaining, all the things I will be explaining. Okay, if I search now, okay, now I am using what? Transforming command. Let me go to fast mode only. Okay, and again, if I do in verbose mode, okay, here we won't have any difference because it is a transform command. It will be taking the data very fast, but still let us see. Here we won't have any fields, right? In transforming in whenever you use transforming command in your search query, okay, we won't have any fields. We won't have fields and events. We'll be having data in tabular format. We'll be discussing later. Okay, so in transform command, we'll be having the data very slow. Whenever you are using transform command, it is behaving like a fast mode only. Whenever you are using non-transform command, it is behaving like a verbose mode. Okay, that is the thing.